Let's talk about shifting a logarithmic function. Here in blue, you can see the graph of the log of x. Notice that it is very, very close to the y-axis because when we take a log of something, it has to be something that is greater than 0. The domain for the log of x then is from 0 to infinity. The range of it is from negative infinity to positive infinity because it's going down forever on this side, up forever on that side. Now, if we want to shift this thing, remember that in the past, what we've done to create horizontal shifts is that we've had something within a grouping symbol either added or subtracted. Having something subtracted has made the picture move to the right by whatever number was being subtracted. So now as we do the log of x minus 1, with the minus 1 being in the parentheses, that picture is going to be in red. We're anticipating that this picture is going to shift to the right. Let's see if it does. There is our new picture, and notice that everything has shifted to the right by one place. The domain this time begins at 1 and it goes to infinity. The 1 is not included since we're never actually getting to that 1. The range of it is still from negative infinity to positive infinity because it's going down forever on this side, but it's continuing to go up forever as we move out to the right. Now, having that minus 1 in the grouping symbol moved the picture to the right by 1. Still comparing things to the first picture that we had in blue, let's now look at a plus 1 in the parentheses. What do you anticipate that it's going to do? In the past, a plus 1 has moved the picture to the left by 1, so we're expecting this blue picture for everything to move to the left by 1 place. This picture will be in green. Let's see if it does. There's our new picture, and just as we anticipated, everything has moved to the left by 1. Now, let's do one that has a vertical shift. In the past, when we've done something with a vertical shift, we've either added something or subtracted it on the outside of the grouping symbol. Something added on the outside of the grouping symbol has moved the picture up by that distance. So now as we do the log of x, but then plus 1, we're anticipating that the blue picture will shift up by 1 place. That picture is going to be in yellow. Let's see if it does. Looks like it did. Everything moved up by 1. Easiest to tell maybe here at this point, it's moved up by 1 place. What would you do then to make something move down by 1 place? That's right. The way we'll make it move down by 1 place is to subtract a 1 on the back. If we subtract 1, the purple picture will be everything on the blue picture moved down by 1 place. Let's clear these extra things out, and let's see if we can now make a shift both up and down or left and right at the same time, having vertical and horizontal shifts in the same picture. So now here was our original log of x, and now let's take a look at what would happen if we did the log of x minus 1 and then minus 1. What we're anticipating to have happen here, the minus 1 in the grouping symbol should take this picture and move it to the right. The minus 1 on the back should move everybody down. So the red picture should be the blue picture moved right 1 and down 1. Let's see if it is. And there it is. Everything did just as we expected. When you want to make a horizontal shift, you add or subtract within a grouping symbol just like we've always done. Subtracting moves you right, adding moves you left. If you want to make a vertical move, that happens outside the parentheses. Adding moves you up, subtracting moves you down.